shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with the ECOVACS Winbot, cleaning my windows without lifting a finger. This thing is absolutely amazing. You can see it is systematically getting every single inch of my windows and I'm not having to do anything. This is incredible technology, a super convenient product, and if you are like me and you have large windows that you hate cleaning, stick around because I'm going to tell you all about this fantastic product and tell you how you can pick yours up.
So how absolutely incredible is the Winbot from ECOVACS? That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's like a robot vacuum mop except for your windows. I think cleaning windows is one of my most hated chores. I feel like no matter how I try to clean it, there's always streaks. I always miss a spot. And it's just frustrating. You have to stand on a ladder, especially if you have large windows. It can take forever. Your shoulder, your arm are burning. It's the worst. But we all know the satisfaction of having beautiful, clean windows. Especially I have that lovely view of the lake back there. And the last thing you want is a bunch of fingerprints and dust and puppy noses. My dog always kind of sniffs on the window and then leaves streaks there. So you don't want that either. That's why you need to pick up a Winbot and let it do all of the work for you. There's never any streaks. It just spurts out just a tiny bit of water, exactly the right amount, and uses this really soft microfiber towel on the back to make sure that it gets all of the water and moisture, gets everything perfectly clean, but also leaves no streaks. Also, you never have to worry about it missing a spot because it systematically gets every single corner, every single inch of your windows. Big, tall, small, all of them. It is absolutely fantastic. It works quickly, efficiently, and it's just so cool that it is able to suction onto your windows and get that entire job done. You don't have to lift a finger. Really incredible stuff. It's so easy to hook up as well. I already had the ECOVACS app installed, of course, because I use their robot vacuums, and you definitely should pick those up as well if you are shopping for robots to do your chores for you. ECOVACS has some great ones, but I just paired the Winbot with my app, set everything up, and you're able to just start the cleaning from there. It walks you through every single step, and also when you open your Winbot, you're going to get the quick start guide, and it's super easy. 7 easy steps. It tells you exactly how much water to put in, how to charge, how to plug everything up. It's really easy, and it holds your hand through the entire process. Takes the guesswork out of it. When you are done with your cleaning, you're gonna have this case right here that is absolutely lovely, plenty big to put your extra mopping pads, your reservoir cup, and all of that good stuff right here, so you don't have the clutter of the cords and the mop and don't know where to put it. Put it in here, slide it away, maybe under the kitchen sink, and take this out whenever you need someone else to clean your windows for you, because you never have to do that again. You've got the Winbot. This is a super cool product. It's not overly loud. It doesn't require any special cleaning solution. In fact, you only want to use water with this. So it's great for the environment, safe to use around pets, and so easy and efficient. I absolutely love this product. I know you guys will as well. I'm going to do a short unboxing and up close portion at the end of this video. So either get to shopping or stick around and check this out where we will show you everything up close so you get all of those little details. Stick around.
Okay, shoppers, as promised, the up close portion of the video, we are going to unbox the ECOVACS window cleaning robot. This is the Winbot W1 Pro. I've never seen anything like this, so I'm so excited to take it out of the box, see what it's all about, and see what does a window cleaning robot even look like. I'm really excited. It's effortless automated cleaning, dual direction cross spray, smart path planning. It's got that radar, much like your robot vacuum cleaners, and a lot of multiple safety systems to make sure it takes care of your windows. So it looks like it's going to be pretty small, like a low profile. This is
smaller than I expected. Ooh, and it's got a carrying case. This is snazzy. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. This is pretty cool. Really nice case here. Very, very nice. Oop, let's see. Turn it around the right way. ECOVACS, really nice. This is like a hard-sided case. It looks super nice. I love that you can just fold this, put this away, slide it pretty much anywhere, so you don't have to worry about clutter in your home. Let's check this out. Wow. Okay, so first thing I'm seeing right here, obviously the window cleaner looks lovely, but I'm really into this because this looks like a quick start guide. I love a good quick start guide because if you don't want to spend forever reading the manual and you just want to get to cleaning, this is what you need, and ECOVACS does a great job of that. It looks like we have 7 quick steps. We're going to download an app. We're going to hook it up and prepare it. Seems like really straightforward, really, really easy. I will show you that obviously earlier in the video. We're going to go through all that, but I love that it makes it easy for you. It lays out the plan. Super, super simple. We've got some extra cleaning plaids right here. These are like a microfiber terry cloth. They are remarkably soft. Going to be so good on your windows. You have your full owner's manual right here. That's going to have all of the more detailed information if you want to look at all of that. And let's check this out. Okay, so it has a little strap right here. That's nice. It's like leather. Wow. This is super pretty. It's very lightweight, which makes sense because it's going to be going all around your windows. This looks like something from the future. I love it. Super, super nice. Look at the other side. You've got all of this that's going to traction around. You're on off. Maybe it's spraying across directionally. This is where you download your app. Very, very nice. Got some cords right here. You're gonna be able to clip this carabiner on. Looks like more cord here. This looks like it plugs right into here, and then it's just going to go into your regular 2-prong outlet. Lots of cord space, so that's really good. If you're doing windows that are far away from an outlet, that should not be a problem for you. And let's see, oh, last thing here. We have just a little measuring cup to make sure you're getting the right amount of water and solution and all of that good stuff. So I am so excited to get going with all of this. I know you guys have already watched the entire video. You're sold on this. You cannot wait to get your very own Winbot to robotically clean your windows for you, take care of all the mess, make it so, so easy for you to have clean, sparkly windows. It makes such a difference in your world. It's going to make you enjoy your view, make it enjoyable to see everything around you, nature, wildlife, your kids playing in the yard, beautiful windows. No one can criticize you for those dirty streaks on your windows because you just have a robot do it for you. It's absolutely fantastic. I love this product and I know you guys will too. Get to shopping.